The Sony A6400 is a versatile mid-range mirrorless camera designed for both photographers and content creators. Released as part of Sony's Popular. It is famous for its real-time eye autofocus and real-time tracking, which use AI to lock onto subjects, humans and animals, with incredible speed and precision. It features a 180-degree tiltable LCD screen, making it easy to frame yourself for vlogging or selfies. It records 4K video with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, ensuring sharp, professional-looking footage. It also supports S-Log and HLG, HDR, for advanced color grading. Despite its small size, it has a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, making it tough enough for travel and outdoor shooting. It uses a 24.2 MP XMR CMOS sensor paired with the Bion's X processor, delivering excellent image quality and low noise performance even in dim lighting. The LCD flips up 180 degrees so you can see yourself while filming. It can shoot stills at 11 frames per second, which is great for sports or fast-moving pets. The body is made of magnesium alloy and is moisture-resistant. With a 24.2 megapixel sensor, it produces sharp images with great colors. It also performs well in low light, making it a reliable tool for evening shots or indoor events. Unlike many cameras in its class, the A6400 does not have a 30-minute recording limit, making it excellent for podcasts or long events. Since it uses the Sony E-mount, you have access to hundreds of lenses, from affordable Sigma primes to professional Sony G Master glass. It lacks in-body image stabilization.